In 2024, something strange happened. People didn't wake up to breaking headlines saying that artificial intelligence had replaced humans. There were no riots, no global warnings, no dramatic announcements, but quietly, jobs disappeared, decisions shifted, and machines started doing work that once required years of human experience. Customer support roles vanished overnight. Code written by AI went live in real companies. Marketing content, legal drafts, and data analysis were no longer handled by people sitting in offices, but by systems running silently in the background. And that leads to an uncomfortable question. If artificial intelligence is already doing real human jobs today, what exactly is protecting your future tomorrow? Most people still believe this is a future problem, something that will happen years from now. But the truth is far more unsettling. The real competition is no longer AI versus humans, it's humans versus reality. Humans have always created tools. We built machines to lift heavy objects, computers to calculate faster, and the internet to share information. Every time society adapted, new jobs appeared, old ones disappeared, and humans stayed in control. But this time feels different, because this is the first technology that doesn't just assist human labor, it competes with human thinking itself. In the past, technology waited for humans to catch up. This time, artificial intelligence is moving faster than schools can update their curriculum, faster than governments can regulate, and faster than most people can even understand what is happening. Universities in the United States and the United Kingdom are struggling to tell whether assignments are written by students or generated by artificial intelligence. Companies across Europe are quietly changing hiring rules, not by firing people, but by simply not rehiring when someone leaves. The role doesn't disappear publicly, it just stops existing. And the biggest shift that most people miss is this. AI is no longer just a tool, it is becoming a decision maker. AI systems already influence who gets hired, who gets approved for loans, which medical cases are considered high risk, and what information reaches your screen. In some industries, AI recommendations are trusted more than human judgment because they appear neutral, data-driven, and efficient. And yet, most people still think this is all developmental, something optional, something they can ignore. But AI adoption is happening faster than the internet boom ever did, while public understanding is moving much slower. The reason AI feels unstoppable is simple. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't need sleep, it doesn't get emotional, and it doesn't forget. A human professional might analyze hundreds or thousands of cases over an entire career. An AI system can analyze millions in weeks. That's why AI now outperforms humans in medical imaging, fraud detection, legal document review, logistics optimization, and pattern recognition tasks that were once considered deeply human. These weren't factory jobs, these were judgment-based roles. And companies realized something uncomfortable. AI doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to be faster, cheaper, and consistent. What rarely makes headlines is how replacement actually happens. Most companies don't announce that AI has taken over. They simply stop hiring humans and let automation quietly fill the gap. No backlash, no protests, no public debate, just silent restructuring. That's why many people don't feel threatened yet, until it becomes personal, until promotions disappear, until entry-level jobs vanish, until experience can no longer be gained the traditional way. At the same time, AI is producing extraordinary benefits. It is helping doctors detect diseases earlier than ever. It is accelerating drug discovery. It is improving climate modeling across Europe and helping predict natural disasters. It is making tools more accessible for people with disabilities. AI has the potential to create the most productive and efficient era in human history. But every powerful tool has a shadow. An AI's shadow is growing faster than its benefits are understood. Instead of mass layoffs, we are seeing role shrinkage, fewer junior positions, fewer learning opportunities, career ladders being quietly removed. And this creates a dangerous long-term effect. Humans lose the chance to build experience. At the same time, society is entering a truth crisis. AI-generated images, videos, and voices are becoming indistinguishable from reality. Scams are more convincing. Political manipulation is cheaper. Trust is becoming fragile. Even more concerning is the control problem. Some of the most advanced AI systems today operate as black boxes. Even the engineers who built them cannot fully explain why they reach certain conclusions. They know what the AI does, but not always how it decides. This is not science fiction. This is already happening. And it forces us to ask a deeper question. If humans don't fully understand the systems making decisions for them, who is really in control? For a long time, people believed humans would always have an advantage because of emotions, consciousness, and meaning. AI can generate a song, but it doesn't know why music makes people cry. AI can write a story, but it doesn't understand loss, love, or fear. These experiences were considered uniquely human. But here comes the twist. AI doesn't need to feel emotions. It only needs to predict them. Modern AI systems are trained on massive datasets of human behavior. They learn what captures attention, what triggers fear, what creates trust, and what keeps people engaged. Recommendation algorithms already shape what news you see, which opinions you encounter, and how long you stay online. Studies now show that people often trust AI suggestions more than strangers, and sometimes more than experts. Not because AI is wise, but because it appears confident, consistent, and personalized. This is the real danger. Not AI becoming conscious, but humans becoming passive, relying on systems to decide what to read, what to believe, and how to think. The future will not be divided between humans and machines. It will be divided between humans who understand AI and humans who ignore it. Education systems are already behind. Governments are reacting slowly. Responsibility is shifting to individuals. So who actually wins the future? Is it artificial intelligence, or is it humanity? The answer is neither wins alone. The real winners will be humans who learn how to use AI as leverage instead of fearing it. AI is not stealing intelligence. It is exposing complacency. It reveals who adapts and who waits. The future does not belong to the strongest or the smartest. It belongs to those who learn faster than fear. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI is helping humanity or quietly replacing it? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video changed how you see the future, hit like so more people can understand what's happening. Subscribe to Myst and turn on the bell icon, because these changes don't come with warnings, and missing the next secret might cost more than you think.